A very warm good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are doing great at home and enjoying your online classes. Today, I am here with the new lesson of grammar, which is conjunction, and lesson number 18. So, at first, we will learn what are conjunctions. So, conjunctions are the words who joins words, group of words, or sentences. So simply conjunctions are those words who joins two words or three words, group of words or sentences together. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. These are coordinating conjunctions. You can learn it as fanboys. F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, S for so. So coordinating conjunctions always comes between the words or sentences that they join. Okay, all these words are called coordinating conjunction and they always comes between the words or sentences that they join. The first conjunction is for, which is used like because and it represents reason. For example, she thanked him for his help. Here in this sentence, the words his help shows the reason. The next conjunction is and, which used to show addition and presents idea that are similar. Example is Joy and Muskan are dancing. So Joy and Muskan loves both the same thing, which is dancing. That's why we have used and here. The next conjunction is but, which is used to show a contrast. It presents idea that are opposite. Example is we went to the theater but we could not get tickets for the movie. As you can see here, two sentences shows the contrast between each other because the first sentence is we went to the theater and the second sentence is we could not get tickets for the movie. That's why we have joined these sentences with the help of but. The next conjunction is or, which shows an option. It presents an alternative idea or choice. Example is be there on time or you will miss the bus. Here you can see both the sentences shows choice. You have to choose whether you will be there on time or you will miss the bus. That's why here we have joined these two sentences with the help of or. The next conjunction is so and this presents a consequence or result. Example is I had not done my homework so I apologized to my teacher. Here are two sentences which shows consequences. The first is I had not done my homework. So the next sentence is the consequence of this work. So I apologize to my teacher. I think all these conjunctions are clear to you all. So let's move to the exercise. And the first exercise is underline the conjunctions in these sentences. Here what you have to do, you have to underline the conjunction in given sentences. So the first sentence is Mr. Jan is smart and handsome. So here the conjunction is and. The next sentence is she is rich but selfish. Here the conjunction is but because in this sentence this shows the contrast between her personality. She is rich but selfish. The next sentence is you can have tea or coffee. Here the conjunction is or. The next sentence is Bitto is sad because He has lost his book. Here the conjunction is because. The next sentence is Sachin is tall but Deepika is short. Here the conjunction is but. The next sentence is today it is very hot and humid. Here again the conjunction is and. The next sentence is I am studying right now so I won't go to play. Here the conjunction is so. The next sentence is my mother is fond of classical and western music. So the conjunction is and. The next sentence is Nishant is intelligent and sincere. Again the conjunction is and. The last sentence is Rakshit is intelligent but careless. And the conjunction is but. So now let's move to the next question, which is join the sentences using given conjunctions. Here in this question what you have to do, you have to join sentences with the help of given conjunctions. So the first one is I went to meet Rajiv, I could not meet him. And the conjunction is given but, and you know that conjunction is always comes between the words or sentence that they join. So the answer is I went to meet Rajiv but could not meet him. I have removed I because I is already given in the sentence in front of the sentence, you can see. That's why after but there is no use to write I again. The next sentences are cotton is white, cotton is soft, and the given conjunction is and the answer is cotton is white and soft. Or both the white and soft shows the quality of cotton. Next sentences are you can watch circus, you can watch magic show, and the given conjunction is or. So the answer is you can watch circus or magic show, because here those sentences shows the options. That's why we have merged these two sentences, and the final answer is like this: you can watch circus or magic show. The next sentences are Samrat has 2 comics, Samrat has 4 story books, and the given conjunction is and. And the answer is Samrat has 2 comics and 4 story books. The next sentence is I will not eat ice cream, I am having cough and cold. And the sentence is and the conjunction is given because, and the answer is I will not eat ice cream because, and after because we will write down the reason, because I am having cough and cold. The next sentences are let's go to Worlds of Wonder, let's go to Adventure Island, and the given conjunction is or. These two sentences shows the option between two things. That's why I have merged both the sentences and I have made the sentence like let's go to Worlds of Wonder or to Adventure Island. The next sentences are Kitty is my pet cat, it is not friendly, and the given conjunction is but. These two sentences are opposite to each other, so the answer is Kitty is my pet cat but it is not friendly. The next sentences are do you like pizza? Do you like pasta? And the given conjunction is or. So here two options are given, pizza or pasta. So the answer is do you like pizza or pasta? The last sentences are Mother will scold me, I have littered my room, and the given conjunction is because, and the answer is Mother will scold me because I have littered my room. This is it for today. In our next class, we will continue with the exercises of the same lesson. Till then, stay safe at home. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.